Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today thanks to Seacoast House of Cars. We have the 2024 Subaru WRX TR. TR stands for tuner ready, and this is a much more enthusiast focused version of the already enthusiast focused WRX. Brembo brakes, different wheels, Potenza S007 tires, Recaro seats. So essentially, your top trim level of the WRX. This thing is absolutely awesome. Features the 6-speed manual, of course. These brakes are phenomenal, just based off of feel. Revised steering rack. Yes. So I've driven a ton of WRXs, not a lot of the new WRXs, and never a TR. So this is gonna kind of be a learn as we go for the new WRX. But man, is this thing good. So slightly stiffer springs, like I said, revised steering rack. So a couple minor tweaks to make this even more focused. And man, is this thing good. I love this car. These seats are extremely comfortable. Recaro seats, they're kind of take it or leave it in some cars in terms of being treatable and comfortable. These ones are very, very comfortable. TR was never supposed to be the STI version of the WRX. Instead, it's kind of that perfect in-betweener. It's kind of, all right, this is what the WRX is, a little bit more enthusiast focus. You have the TR. Oh, these pedals are perfect for heel and toe. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.